High-pressure showerhead. Brushed nickel 6-inch luxury bathroom showerhead makes your shower experience sensational and phenomenal even at low water flow. Unique new design. Choose your favorite spray pattern by rotating the showerhead. Unique 360-degree rotating mechanism offers 4 different spray functions. Installs in minutes. G1/2 threads connect to any standard shower arm without plumbers. Free Teflon tape is also prepared for you. Advanced material. High-quality durable ABS plastic material. 2.5 GPM and 64 silicone jets prevent lime and hard water deposits to ensure your shower safe and comfortable. Lifetime warranty. All our showerheads come with lifetime warranty. If you have any concerns, our locally customer service team are here to help within 12 hours. High-pressure showerhead. Our luxury showerhead provides high-pressure water spray against low-pressure water pipe, so your whole body is doused with the downpour. Easy cleaning nozzles. Self-cleaning nozzles are easy to prevent the buildup of minerals. Any choice of angle. Easily adjust the direction of the water spray for pleasant showering. Top reviews from the United States. Nice and powerful. I really enjoy this showerhead. It had what I was looking for. A powerful stream. I hate going to hotels or other places that have weak showerheads. It's just so much harder to wash. Which is why I chose this one for its waterfall head, since if the regular nozzle was not up to snuff it could cover. But I won't be using it since the showerhead is more powerful than I expected. It has a very strong flow, allowing the soap to wash away easily. And its power nozzle I would say is too powerful, lightly stinging the skin from the blast. The waterfall head was a bit of a letdown since it comes back together before it hots the body, so it's more like having a warm hose splashing you rather than a thin stream. And the Mr. Head still puts out a lot of water. Just as powerful as the weak shower heads I did not like. The only flaw is if you take hot showers like me you need to turn it on pure hot to have the temp nice since the mist does not hold heat well. But if you don't mind chilly showers it's a great head to turn on as you lather up to save water. I am very happy with this purchase. And for the complaints of the head not being secure. Either their shower's pipe thread is not very long or they don't know how to screw a shower head fully on. Until you get it snug on the head is limp. But once secure it aims perfectly. I recommend this head to anyone looking for a powerful versatile shower head.